Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Paula Llewellyn, or the Director for Public Prosecution DPP, say our hotel where they in a St. Andrew must get charged for the birthday party where it keep on no movement there. Jamaica Flour Mills say the cost for flour are go up. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says some things are go put in place for cut down the country high murder rate. Elaine Tamsahira win the 60-meter dash at the Queen's Grace Jackson track meet to keep a National Stadium on Saturday. Now for the full tour of them. Paula Llewellyn, or the Director for Public Prosecutions DPP, say our hotel where they in a St. Andrew must get charged for the birthday party where it keep on no movement there. Government Minister Floyd Green, Councillor Andrew Bellamy and some other people did there, but she said they must get charged. She sent this to the police Friday after the birthday party did keep on September 14, 2021. On top of that, she said our hotel can get charged under Section 14 of the Principal Act because them not follow the Ministry for Tourism COVID-19 rule them. Jamaica Flour Mills said the cost for flour are go up. Flour might go up early this week, but some people are called upon the government for carrying flour from outside of the country so that people not pay too much for it. According to Jamaica Flour Mills, the cost for wheat and grain gone up, so them not a choice but for raise. But Chris Stokes, who was somebody who chat on the economy, said this is going to have a bad effect on the economy because enough things are going to raise with flour use in. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says some things are going to put in place for cut down the country high murder rate. Last week, opposition leader Mark Golding said the commissioner have 60 days to get crime under control or he must left the work. According to General Anderson, crime are go down, but the killing of people are cause the problem, but them are put things in place to deal with it. On top of that, the commissioner said the JCF not have enough things to fight against crime, plus Corona did slow them down, and more money needed for put in the force. The police said them a look for somebody who did a drive one BMW car, after them find one AK-47 rifle, one American tactical rifle, and more than 300 bullets in a St. James Friday. According to the police report, one team of officer did a walk through the Birch Hill section of the parish when them see the man a come out of the car with one box. The police said the man run and drop the box when them a walk up to him. Them open the box and them find the gun them and bullet them. The St. Elizabeth police said them lock up 2 men who did shot off of them in a Jack's Gate in a Newmarket, St. Elizabeth Friday. According to Superintendent Dwight Daly, who in charge of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, them all on pan the man them sometime after 12 Saturday when them a go Westmoreland. Them find one gun where them never have no license for. According to the police report, around 9 p.m. Friday, people in a Jack's Gate call the police after them see some man where them no know in a them community. The police say when them reach, the man them shot off of them and them shot back. 1 man did get shot and dead and 2 other man get locked up. Now for sports. Elaine Tamsahira, who a 2-time double Olympic champion, opened her 2022 season and win the 60-meter dash at the Queen's Grace Jackson track meet to keep at the National Stadium on Saturday. Tamsahira run one -1.9 meter and clock 7.19 seconds for come first. Ramona Burchell clock 7.29 and come second, and Sasha Lee Forbes come third with 7.37 seconds. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.